Hi, I'm Julia, WebEagle's AI assistant. While the rest of the team is busy working, they have hired me to help host our series of online marketing workshops, where we provide tips and tricks to help boost your online marketing efforts. This week, we are discussing the importance of developing a great search engine optimization strategy, also known as SEO. So, what is SEO? SEO is ensuring that your customers find your website by optimizing your online presence for search engines such as Google. It is an organic process that helps increase the quality and quantity of traffic to your website through unpaid search engine results. SEO is about creating content that shows search engines that it is the best for the unique topics presented. This will make your website come in at a higher position on search engines, ultimately increasing website traffic and visibility. Investing time and money into optimizing content, enhancing user experience, and developing your site will lead to long-term, cost-effective, and proven results. If you are looking to improve your SEO strategy, start with the following. The first is keyword research. With billions of searches on Google per day, there will be thousands of search terms relevant to your business, although you cannot target them all. For your SEO strategy to work, you must pick and choose the search terms you want to focus on. By refining in on the ones that have high search volume, low competition, or that will convert well, you can prioritize your SEO efforts. Secondly is content creation. Once you have chosen your top 10 to 15 keywords, it is time to optimize your site with well-written and informative content. The more you utilize relevant keywords when producing quality content on your site, the easier it is for customers searching for them to reach your site. What's more is that by providing consistent and fresh content to your site will help your website rankings and ultimately result in a higher search traffic. Having a blog on your site where you post regular quality content is an extremely efficient way to rank better. And finally, linking. Search engines like to see your website linked to by other reputable websites. Conversely, search engines really don't like seeing your website linked to by websites that have a poor reputation, or simply exist to host links to other websites. As part of working with WebEagles, we will take this time-consuming process out of your hands. We will identify the right target third-party websites that you want linking to your own site, and then leverage our experience to engage with the relevant editorial source to gain their attention and get that link placed back to your website. There is so much more than meets the eye when it comes to SEO, and that is exactly where our team at WebEagles can help. If you are looking to boost your online presence, visit our website and request a free website audit today. Thank you for watching. We hope you learnt something new.